How to keep your crypto safe and avoid scams. Are you ready to unlock the secrets to keeping your cryptocurrency safe and secure? You won't believe what can happen. In a world where hackers and cybercriminals are constantly looking for their next target, it's more important than ever to take steps to protect your valuable crypto assets. But fear not. CryptoDava has brought you the ultimate guide to navigating the treacherous waters of the crypto world. From the latest tips and tricks to cutting-edge security measures, we've got everything you need to know to keep your crypto safe and sound. So sit back, grab some popcorn, and get ready to discover the shocking truth about crypto security. You won't believe what can happen. Risks of cryptocurrencies. But before we dive into the best practices for keeping your crypto safe, it's essential to understand the risks associated with cryptocurrencies. While the potential for massive returns is undoubtedly alluring, the volatile nature of cryptocurrencies means that investors must tread carefully. The value of cryptocurrencies can fluctuate wildly in a short period, making them incredibly challenging to predict. A sudden price drop can result in significant losses for investors who aren't careful, and in some cases, cryptocurrencies have lost value entirely. Moreover, cryptocurrencies are a prime target for cybercriminals and hackers who are always looking for ways to exploit vulnerabilities in the system. From phishing scams to ransom attacks, the risks of losing your crypto to cybercrime are real and ever-present. What are the most common crypto attacks? Unfortunately, with great potential for returns comes an equal opportunity for theft. The decentralized nature of cryptocurrencies and the underlying blockchain technology provides a new way of thinking about money, but it also comes with its fair share of risks. Cryptocurrencies are highly sought-after targets for cybercriminals who are looking for ways to exploit weaknesses in the system. Here are some of the most common crypto attacks you may face. Phishing scams. Cybercriminals use phishing emails, social media messages, or fake websites to trick you into giving them access to your cryptocurrency accounts. Often, these scams are so convincing, and even the most tech-savvy users can fall victim to them. Malware attacks. Malware refers to malicious software that infects your device, allowing hackers to gain access to your cryptocurrency wallet or private keys. Malware attacks can occur through emails, websites, or downloaded software. Ransomware attacks. Hackers can use ransomware to encrypt your cryptocurrency wallet, making it impossible for you to access your funds. The hackers then demand payment in cryptocurrency in exchange for the decryption key. Exchange hacks. Cryptocurrency exchanges are a prime target for hackers because they hold large amounts of cryptocurrency. An exchange hack can result in the loss of funds for thousands of users. What are cryptocurrencies scams? In addition to the common crypto attacks we just discussed, there are also several types of cryptocurrency scams to be aware of. These scams can range from sophisticated phishing schemes to outright theft. Here are some of the most common cryptocurrency scams. Fake ICOs. ICOs, or initial coin offerings, are a popular way for cryptocurrency startups to raise money. However, some ICOs are scams and don't actually exist. Investors who buy into these fake ICOs can lose their entire investment. Ponzi schemes. Ponzi schemes are fraudulent investment schemes that promise high returns but don't actually invest the money. Instead, new investors' money is used to pay off earlier investors, creating a pyramid scheme that eventually collapses. Fake exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are platforms that allow users to buy, sell, and trade cryptocurrencies. However, some exchanges are fake and exist only to steal users' funds. Social media scams. Social media platforms are a powerful way for scammers to reach potential victims. Scammers can create fake social media profiles, engage with users, and then trick them into giving away their cryptocurrency. How to avoid scams? Protecting yourself from cryptocurrency scams is crucial if you want to safely invest and hold onto your digital assets. While the world of cryptocurrency can be exciting and full of opportunities, it's essential to stay aware of the potential pitfalls and take steps to protect yourself from scams. Here are some tips to help you avoid cryptocurrency scams. Do your research. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, make sure you thoroughly research the project, the team behind it, and the industry as a whole. Check out the forums, reviews, and other sources to gather as much information as possible. Use reputable exchanges. Cryptocurrency exchanges are one of the most popular targets for hackers and scammers. Make sure you only use reputable exchanges with a proven track record of security and reliability. Keep your private keys secure. Your private keys are the keys to your cryptocurrency funds. Keep them secure by using a hardware wallet or storing them in a secure offline location. Be cautious of unsolicited offers. If you receive an unsolicited offer for a cryptocurrency investment opportunity, be cautious. Scammers often use these tactics to lure in unsuspecting victims. Check URLs. Always double-check the URLs of websites and exchanges before entering any sensitive information. Scammers often create fake websites that look similar to legitimate ones to steal your information. Be wary of social media scams. Scammers often use social media platforms to promote their fraudulent schemes. Be wary of offers that sound too good to be true, and never give out your private information to anyone on social media. Use two-factor authentication. Two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency accounts. Use it whenever possible to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. How to protect your crypto? Protecting your cryptocurrency is crucial if you want to keep your digital assets safe from theft or loss. With the rise in popularity of cryptocurrency, it's more important than ever to take steps to protect your investments. Here are some creative ways to protect your cryptocurrency. Use a hardware wallet. A hardware wallet is a physical device that stores your private keys offline. This makes it nearly impossible for hackers to steal your cryptocurrency funds. Keep your software up to date. Software vulnerabilities can be exploited by hackers to gain access to your cryptocurrency. Keep your software up to date to reduce the risk of a security breach. Use a VPN. A virtual private network VPN can help protect your cryptocurrency transactions by encrypting your internet connection and masking your IP address. Enable multi-factor authentication. Multi-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your cryptocurrency accounts. Use it whenever possible to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Back up your private keys. Your private keys are the keys to your cryptocurrency funds. Make sure you back them up in a secure offline location to prevent loss in case of theft or damage. Use cold storage. Cold storage refers to storing your cryptocurrency offline. This method is incredibly secure, but it can be inconvenient if you need to access your funds frequently. Be careful with public Wi-Fi. Public Wi-Fi networks are often unsecured, making them a popular target for hackers. Avoid using public Wi-Fi when accessing your cryptocurrency accounts or transactions. What are the safest ways to store Bitcoin and the types of storages? When it comes to storing Bitcoin, security should always be your top priority. With the rise of cryptocurrency theft and fraud, it's essential to use a secure storage method to protect your digital assets. Here are some of the safest ways to store Bitcoin. Hardware wallets. Hardware wallets are small physical devices that store your private keys offline. They are considered one of the safest ways to store Bitcoin because they are not connected to the internet, making them nearly immune to hacking attacks. Popular hardware wallets include Ledger, Trezor, and KeepKey. Paper wallets. A paper wallet is a physical copy of your private keys that you can print out and store in a secure location, such as a safe or a safety deposit box. They are incredibly secure because they are not connected to the internet, but they can be easily damaged or lost. Cold storage. Cold storage refers to storing your Bitcoin offline. This can be done through hardware or paper wallets, as well as other methods such as USB drives or even engraving your private keys on metal. Cold storage is considered one of the safest ways to store Bitcoin because it is not connected to the internet, making it nearly impossible for hackers to steal your funds. Multi-signature wallets. Multi-signature wallets require multiple signatures to authorize transactions, making them more secure than traditional wallets. They are often used for businesses and institutions that hold large amounts of Bitcoin. Online wallets. Online wallets are digital wallets that are stored on a server and accessible via the internet. They are convenient but come with higher risks due to the possibility of hacking and fraud. It's important to choose a reputable online wallet provider and enable two-factor authentication to reduce the risk of unauthorized access. Can wallets be hacked? Well, let's put it this way. If you leave your digital wallet lying around like a lost sock, then yes, it's like leaving your front door wide open for hackers to come on in and take what's rightfully yours. But if you take good care of your wallet, like it's your precious little pet, then the chances of it getting hacked are as slim as a supermodel on a juice cleanse. In all seriousness, though, wallets can indeed be hacked if you don't take the proper precautions. For example, if you use an online wallet without enabling two-factor authentication or use a weak password, then hackers can potentially gain access to your wallet and steal your funds. Similarly, if you use a hardware wallet without verifying its authenticity or buying it from an unauthorized seller, then you could end up with a compromised wallet. That said, by taking the necessary security measures, you can significantly reduce the risk of your wallet getting hacked using a reputable wallet provider, enabling two-factor authentication, and keeping your private keys safe and secure are just a few examples of ways to protect your wallet from hacking attempts. So, to sum it up, wallets can be hacked, but it all comes down to how well you take care of them. Treat your wallet like it's your BFF, and you'll be able to sleep soundly at night knowing that your precious digital assets are safe and secure. How much of cryptocurrency was stolen? Well, let's just say that hackers have been having a field day with crypto lately. It's like a piñata filled with virtual candy. According to some estimates, over $1.5 billion worth of cryptocurrency has been stolen since 2014, and that number is rising faster than Elon Musk's net worth. Now, that might sound like a lot of money, but keep in mind that the total market cap of all cryptocurrencies combined is over $2 trillion. In a way, the amount of crypto that has been stolen is like a drop in the ocean compared to the vast amount that's out there. Of course, that's not to say that crypto theft isn't a serious issue. Any amount of money stolen is still a loss for someone, and it's important to take steps to prevent it from happening to you. By staying vigilant, using secure wallets, and avoiding shady exchanges, you can greatly reduce the risk of your crypto being stolen. Well, we hope that this video has provided you with valuable insights and knowledge that you can use to safeguard your digital assets. If you have any further questions or concerns, please feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and as always, stay safe out there.